The frigid temperature has brought levee embankment and roadway paving activities to a close for the 2025 construction season. But winter weather means frozen ground and minimal runoff as work continues at select project sites across the FM area diversion. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with this month's highlights. At I-29, north and west of Harwood, North Dakota, all 4 interstate lanes are now open to traffic, and ASN Constructors is excavating the diversion channel where the bypass lanes once were. Nearby, crews are now removing the County Road 81 bypass and BNSF Hillsboro shoe fly. Stormwater diversion channel excavation will soon follow, establishing functional drainage connections for completed channel segments both upstream and downstream of this location. A couple of miles away, at the Rush River Inlet, ASN Constructors is working on the remaining excavation, bedding, and riprap placement at the inlet's upstream end. This marks the start of work necessary to permanently divert the Rush River into the new inlet to the stormwater diversion channel. Crews are simultaneously excavating the diversion channel alignment where the existing Rush River crosses the diversion channel's footprint. Once excavation is completed, this will establish another functional drainage connection for completed channel segments. As we move our view to the Cheyenne River Aqueduct, we see how concrete blankets and heaters have allowed ASN Constructors to continue concrete placement despite the cold and snow. ASN Constructors has placed more concrete for the flume's elevated slab and portions of the north and south flume walls. They also placed concrete for additional segments of the bypass conduits which flank the flume on each side. Piling and concrete work have continued at the structure's adjacent wing walls and the spillway as well. This month, our drone view captures the first segment of the spillway's concrete base construction underway. A few miles east, at the Authority Administration Building, we can see structural steel work is wrapping up at the main building and is now ongoing at the maintenance building. At the main building, crews are now framing the exterior walls. Also at this site, and just prior to freeze-up, crews placed earth and fill in between the building pad and the southern embankment's Reach SE2B. Speaking of Reach SE2B, in the last month, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers contractor R.J. Zavarol and Sons completed placing the remainder of the clay embankment and topsoil respreading across the 4.5-mile stretch. In preparation for next year, crews also removed a plug or earthen obstruction between the Borrow Ditch and the Wild Rice River, establishing a permanent connection at the Borrow Ditch's downstream end. Nearby at the Red River structure, which is now more than 90% complete, Ames Construction wrapped up the construction season by placing the embankment that crosses the abandoned portions of the Red River. The site is also excavating the remaining engineered channel connections and placing riprap at the project's low-flow channel where it meets the Red River. Catch more construction updates throughout the month by following the project on social media.